Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 3 of this. I'm going to add a little shadow with the interactive fill tool to make this look like it's actually going underneath this other blue. A lot of people don't realize you can have two ends on it. So we're just going to go from here to here. We're going to add a little black here. But then we're going to put that original color into the middle. And then we're going to add a little black on the end. And then you could play with it. That's way too dark. You could play with your, this is going to look really good, I think. Now, we could quite possibly, on this one, use the attribute eyedropper to see if we can't get that same effect. Now, it's a little bit different, maybe a little bit, but we could get the interactive fill tool again, click on this, and we could actually change a little bit, maybe make it not quite so dark because it's a longer item. Now, we can't do it on these because the fact that it's going the opposite direction. So while we're still on that same color, interactive fill tool, put a little black right, and you don't have to use black, you could use a darker color. And if you slide that or slide this out, it makes it look okay. One more time on this one. We can use attribute eyedropper on this one, but we need to go the opposite direction on this one. Just take it, add a little black, just grab your black from your color palette. It's a little bit much, and if it's too much, you can go like that. Now we can probably take this one, sample it with an attribute eyedropper, and put it there. That looks pretty good. You know, you probably wouldn't, and now we need to do this one. This one's going to be a little more difficult. I didn't mean to do that because it's so little, and that might not even be right. This one probably should have gone over. But let's zoom in here, and let's see if we can get it to work. So really, you should select your item with your interactive fill tool, and then I would just go across, go ahead and put black on the end, go ahead and put black on the other end, and then take your normal color, and then you might want to, stretch it out quite a bit. You could actually change the angle. Whoop, I moved it. You could take this handle and move it, kind of give it see how it's changing the angle of the deal. The other one should be quite easy. Let's take this one, interactive fill, go from there to there, add a little black. This one will definitely probably be able to use I don't know if I like that. You know what, we can add on more little blue here. So it's just a little bit darker. Now we can definitely use the attribute eyedropper on this one because it looks the same. But then again, you can take your interactive fill tool and change that, make it a little more, maybe not quite as dark. It's going to look pretty good. We'll go ahead and do these two, and then we'll finish the video. Interactive fill tool. And you could use, I don't have to use dark black. I could use a gray. And if you move this in, you'll get more blue. This one's just the opposite. It's going underneath that. It's always probably better to click on your item before you grab the interactive fill tool, so Corel knows which one you're trying to do. Whoop. See what I did? I missed the box. You have to go to that box and then take this away. Maybe on this one for sure, add a little more blue. And I could slide that bar down. That looks pretty good. I don't see any that I missed. This one I'm going to go back to and put a little bit more black to it. There we go. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.